Hello students, I am Lakmini Rashadari. I am an English medium science teacher in Ratnapura Mahavidyalaya. Now we are going to discuss our answers for the questions. You have answers for these questions. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's consider about first question. A bacteria which lives in soil independently and contributes for the fixation of nitrogen. We know when we discussing about fixation of nitrogen, rhizobium is an important bacteria. But we know they live in leguminous plants, nodules in leguminous plants, not in the soil. They ask bacteria which lives in soil independently. We know Azotobacter also important bacteria for the fixation of nitrogen process. So we should take the answer as Azotobacter. Second question, an occasion that uses toxins as a vaccine by removing toxic component. We know there are four answers. Then measles and polio. We know this type of vaccines produced by weakened microorganisms. So then when we consider influenza vaccine produced by killed microorganisms. So we have to take tetanus vaccine produced by removing toxic components in microorganisms. Third question, a disease caused by a fungi is, we know malaria caused by protozoa. Then tuberculosis caused by a bacteria. So common cold, we know this is caused by virus. So we have to take the answer pityriasis. Pityriasis is caused by a fungus. The most suitable answer for viruses. We know virus shows both living characteristics and non-living characteristics. So we have to neglect the answers, answer 1 and answer 3. A living organism, third answer, a non-living organism. We know, I previously said they showed both characteristics, living and non-living. So we have to take second answer, show both living and non-living characteristics. Fifth question, bioremediation can be introduced as. First answer, using microorganisms for destroying pests. Yes, we know in pest controlling process we use microorganisms, but it is not cannot introduce as bioremediation. Then using microorganisms for the extraction of metals. We know this process we call is bioleaching. Then using microorganisms for destroying weeds. So we know like alternaria, fungus like alternaria we use as weedicide. In third answer, using microorganisms for removing environmental pollutant. Yes, we know this process we introduce as bioremediation. Sixth question, a microorganism which used as biological weapons. Yes, we know this is a dangerous situation. We know anthrax bacteria used as biological weapons. That means human use microorganisms as for their military purposes. So abundantly use anthrax bacteria. The fourth statement about microorganism. They ask fourth statement. They don't live in extreme environment. We know microorganism can use in extreme environments also, like hot water springs, like deserts, likewise. Then if we consider about the other answers, the organism that cannot be seen with naked eye. Yes, we introduce these type of organisms as microorganisms. Live in human skin also. Yes, they can live in human skin. Can obtain economical benefits. Yes, we can get so many economical benefits like different they can use in different industries likewise. So we have to take the answer as first answer. Next question, what is the area where the light sensitive cells are not located in retina? We know yellow spot and fovea is the same place. This is the most sensitive place in human eye, in retina. Then blind spot. Blind spot means there are no any light sensitive cells, and if the light rays formed on blind spot can't form any image. What is the defect that can be identified due to reducing transparent nature of eye lens and cannot be able to focus the light rays properly in retina? Glaucoma. We know glaucoma is a defect caused by the increasing of blood pressure in the eye. Then psoriasis is an eye infection. Cataract. Yes, cataract is caused by reducing the transparent nature of eye lens due to the denaturing of proteins in the eye. Answer is second answer. Next question, a function of ciliary muscle. Function of ciliary muscle is controlling the curvature of eye lens. We know we can increase the curvature of eye lens and decrease the curvature of eye lens. These movements controlled by ciliary muscle. Answer 2. Next question, not an organism with a wide binocular vision. We know lemur and chimpanzee and gorilla. This in this type of animals, they are when considering the location of their eyes locate in the front side of the skull. So they have a wide binocular vision. Then dog is not likewise. So answer is dog. Next question, what is the hearing limit of human? We know hearing limit of human is 20 hertz to from 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. Answer 4. What is the tube that connects the middle ear and pharynx? Yes, we know when considering tubes in ear, we know Eustachian tube connect the pharynx and middle ear. Answer 1. Next question, the disease of eye which is caused due to the increase of blood pressure in the eye. I previously said glaucoma. Glaucoma is occurred due to increase of blood pressure in the eye. Answer second answer. What is the symbol of element of chlorine? Yes, we know when indicating the atom of chlorine, capital C and simple L. Answer 1. What is the mass number of an atom with 11 electrons and 12 neutrons? We know when considering an atom, number of electrons and number of protons are equal. So we know in this atom, 11 protons are in this atom. So we know mass number is the sum of neutrons and protons in the nucleus. So we know addition 11 and 12, addition of 11 and 12, answer 23. Next question. Not an element contains in glucose. We know glucose molecule made of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. So we know nitrogen is not in the molecule, glucose molecule. So answer is nitrogen. What are the common types of atoms containing glucose and methane? I previously said carbon, hydrogen and oxygen are elements containing glucose molecule. Then methane, otherwise methane, carbon and hydrogen are the element contains in methane. So common atoms are carbon and hydrogen. The atomic number of a particular element is introduced as, atomic number means number of protons in the atom. So number of protons in nucleus of an atom. So answer, third answer. Last question. A student observed that the transparency of a solution made by him is equal in place to place. This is, we know, if some solution has equal composition in place to place, it is a homogeneous mixture. So this solution is also a homogeneous mixture. Okay, I wish you have successfully answered for these questions. Thank you all of you.